Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to I Loaf You. So today we are going to be making a caramel popcorn. We're going to make it both with and without peanuts. So we will get started. All right, so in our sauce pot, we have our white sugar, brown sugar, and corn syrup. So we are going to get this on the stove, heating up. So we just have this on medium heat on the stove. We want to melt everything down, and we're going to add our butter because we're making our caramel for our caramel popcorn. So now that we are all melted, we are going to let this come to a boil, and then we are going to boil it for 3 minutes, and then we will move on to our next step. Now we've added our baking soda right in there, and we're just gonna mix that up. Now it's going to take 1/2 of a jar of unsalted peanuts. If you're doing them both with nuts, you can add half to each bowl. But we are splitting it half and half here. So we're going to mix this all in, and then we are going to put it onto our sheet pans with parchment paper. So we are going to put these into our 250-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and then we will check them and come back.